So today I'm visiting BMS Motorsports, the manufacturer and distributor of the BMS side-by-sides, UTVs, dune buggies, dirt bikes, and scooters. We're walking into the main showroom here. Now this is a distributorship here. Again, this is where all the dealers in the nation send their orders to, and their orders get processed here. This is where they keep all their vehicles and all their parts. BMS Motorsports here in Riverside, California. Again, so the vehicles get drop shipped from here, this location. They're fully PDI'd, assembled, tested, and tuned. All the major large UTV side-by-sides and dune buggies. Again, some of the vehicles being showcased right now. It's called the Beast here. We're going to walk through. This is the 1500cc. Again, if you guys are looking for high quality Chinese side-by-sides, dune buggies, UTVs, scooters, BMS Motorsports is the manufacturer and distributor. Again, this is where all the parts are located as well. This is approximately a 40,000 square foot warehouse located in California, Riverside. This is where they have their UTVs and dune buggies lined up, getting ready for PDI, being shipped out to customers. All their parts here to the right, additional parts. I'm going to walk down an aisle right here where you can see they have parts for everything. Parts for all the vehicles that they sell and manufacture at BMS Motorsports. So you're looking for an affordable, cost-effective, high-value, it's the place to shop. Again, if you're looking for an alternative rather than a major brand, you will find huge value, huge savings over the other brands. Definitely affordable choice. Get you out off-road for your farming needs, hunting needs, leisure needs, hobby. For the sport of it, the dune buggies are great and a lot of fun. Here we have more side-by-sides. This is the T350 here. This is the T350 two-seater. And these are all the two-seaters, 700 cc's and 600 cc's. There are the 700s as well. Okay, this is the part of the PDI process over here. These are the techs and mechanics here at BMS. This is part of the area where they do a lot of the PDI. This is what they look like in the crate. Again, these all get shipped. All the UTVs, side-by-sides, and dune buggies get shipped fully PDI'd, fully assembled, and delivered on a car carrier directly to you, drop shipped from your dealer or at your dealer location, fully PDI'd, turnkey, ready to go, plug and play, fully warranted by BMS Motorsports. We have 600s and 700s here in the crate. So don't hesitate to order. This company, BMS, has been well over 15 years now in the business of high quality, affordable side-by-sides, dune buggies, UTVs, dirt bikes, and scooters. Scooters are very popular with the BMS, good quality. Plenty of parts in stock. Again, I'm walking by more UTVs over here, side-by-sides. This is a four-seater in orange color, 1500cc. Check out the beefy suspension on the rear. Huge travel. Independent suspension system. It's the radiator with the dual cooling system on there. 1500cc. This is a cool buggy, super affordable. Take out all your friends and your family. The front here looks like it does come with the winch, comes with the light bar, a roof rack, beefy front end here. This is a 5-speed manual transmission, 4-seat dune buggy. Here's some more side-by-sides over here, the two-seater side-by-sides. I'm gonna walk over here. You guys can get a up-close look. Again, this is the way to start processing and starting the PDI process. So they go through different steps during the PDI process. Man, there is a lot of metal from all these crates here. So if you're in the recycling business, this would be a great place to hang out. Here's one coming in for some testing, part of the PDI process. Fully automatic. This is the 4-seater 700 Ranch Pony. So check these guys out if you're looking for a high quality, very affordable UTV side-by-side dune buggy. This right here in front of me is the 2-seater 1500cc Sand Sniper, as they call it. This also comes in the 4-seater, which I've shown earlier. So this is the actual 800cc buggy. You can see the 800cc buggy. They also have the 2-seater in 1500, as well as the 4-seater, which I've shown earlier. Find your local trusted dealer to purchase one of these. Parts in stock. These are all shipped turnkey, ready to go, plug and play, tested and tuned by BMS, shipped on a car carrier to your location, by your dealer, drop shipped to you, by your dealer, or pick it up at your local dealer as well. Great value. We're gonna walk by the 4-seater here. Beautiful machine, beautiful. Get an up-close look. Comes with a winch. Really nice machine. Again, we are visiting the BMS Motorsports distribution plant in Riverside, California. So you guys get a little glimpse into the process here of what goes on behind the scenes when ordering, as well as the company itself. Some of you are not aware of the company. You need to get a closer look. Well, here we are, visiting BMS Motorsports. And this is their office area here. Great security system over here. Again, BMS Motorsports. And this was soon going to complete the tour of BMS Motorsports in Riverside, California. And we'll see you guys soon.